Okay. You guys are getting a very casual mail today, but I just really wanted to come on here and share with you guys. Look, I'm wearing my cat t-shirt, I'm in my jammies, but I just have to tell you what happened last week. So, we were having lunch with a couple of our really good friends. So, I've known this friend for how long? Probably over 10 years now. And she walks over with these two orange bags. And I'm thinking, that is so weird. She is not even into Hermes. Did she buy something? So I was like, oh my gosh, did you buy something from Hermes? So then she hands me these two orange bags and says, no, these are for you, but it's not what you think. So I was not expecting these two orange bags. I'm like, what? Because let me just explain a little bit about her. Like, she does own a couple of Coach bags. Occasionally, she does say, oh, I might like that LV bag, but she's not really that into luxury. And that's fine. She knows Hermes is my favorite brand, and she knows how obsessed I am with them. Even though she might not be exactly what I'm into, we just get along like a house on fire. And that's why we've been friends for over 10 years. And, she loves like spending money on, her two dogs, which I totally get because I've got my three fur babies. And she's the type of person that she will, like, if she sees a beautiful vase, she will spend so much on it, like in her interiors and home. And that's fine. Everyone likes different things, right? But anyway, so let me start off with what's in this smaller box. And she's amazing. She's so much fun. So you can see there's an orange box, but there's no Hermes. So before I get into the reveals, this is what she said to me. So you guys know that May is my 10-year anniversary on YouTube, which is just crazy. And thank you guys so much for all your support throughout these years. And we're definitely going to be celebrating later this month with something special. But anyway, she goes, I just wanted to get you something. I remember talking to you about this 10 years ago when you were about to start your channel. And, I'm just so proud of you. So I just wanted to get you something a little bit fun and unexpected. So in this box, I can't believe she even found an orange box in here. She got me. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, this is like a Birkin, obviously, but it's in vinyl. Oh my goodness, look, it even has a little rodeo. Now, I love mini bags and everything. Hermes doesn't actually do a little mini Birkin, but I'm sure you've seen them all around, just fun little plays on it. I think most people use this as like an AirPod holder or something like that. So then she goes to me, I know you have so many SLGs, and a while back we were having a conversation that she was saying, aren't you scared that your car keys are going to scratch the inside of your bags because your bags are so expensive? And I said, come to think of it, I don't know why I just chucked my car keys in there. And I do have a lot of SLGs, but they're more for, cash, cards, coins. So she goes, when I saw this, I had to get it for you and the rodeo because, one, you don't have a red Birkin, which is true. And two, I thought this one was just more fun because you could see your car keys. So, it does actually open up. And let me open it up and let's try if it will fit my car keys, because I never thought about using a little mini bag for my car keys. But you know what was really nice? The fact that she remembered our conversation, and she's so not into Hermes, but she just celebrates the things I love. I celebrate the things she loves. And that's what friendship's about, right? You might not be into the same things, but you accept each other as is. So this is my car key fob, garage door key, and my little air tag. Let's try. So I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it actually It just fits. So it is actually very practical, right, guys? And I just did not expect this at all. And for me, I think that is what is most meaningful, is like the thought behind it. I don't know if you've experienced this, but not everyone gets, our love of luxury. So I've had people say to me in the past, why would you spend $2,000 on that bag? Or, oh my gosh, I can't believe you spent 5,000 or whatever number on that bag. And I'm not talking about someone that just says it once. I'm talking about perhaps friends or family that have repeatedly said that. And it almost makes you feel like you're being judged. I'm talking about those sort of comments, and you feel like uncomfortable for liking what you like. I have had people like that in my life before, but with her it's not like that at all. And I think for me it's the friendship. Like, she really listens in our conversations, and we don't have to like the same thing, but I always want to know about what she likes, and she wants to know what I like. And we're always going to differ on opinions, right? If you're just differing on your opinions about luxury, which, let's be honest, is not like a first world problem or anything, what happens when it comes to like bigger issues that you disagree on? Because luxury is just like a tiny part of my life. There's so many social issues or sometimes philosophical issues that you might not agree with each other. But that's the thing. I think that's the true test of friendship, that even though you don't agree, you still respect one another, love each other, despite all of that. Anyway, this gift just really reminded about how much I cherish my girls, the close circle of friends that I do have. So that was the first gift. And let me show you this main one. So in here, guys, in this dust bag is, dun, dun, dun. Oops. It did have a felt protector. Oh my goodness. She bought me a Sequin Jelly Cat Birkin. I think that's what they're called. She goes, I saw this. I thought it was so fun. It reminded me of celebrations, party. It's your 10 years. It's so cute. Look at it. Right? I just laughed so much. I remember hubby laughing so much and said, oh my goodness, that's so extra. But even he loves it. Look at the sparkle. Look at that cute little face. And, I remember seeing these Jelly Cat Birkins. I mean, Jelly Cats they've been so popular for years. But I remember, especially towards the end of last year, I was seeing them all over Instagram. Like, people who own Hermes bags, carrying them around, having little Jelly Cat meetings. I think it's called a Jellican. I'm not sure, actually. But I know they've done fun versions like this in like the Birkin or a Kelly. I think other styles. I'm not sure. But either way, it is adorable. What do you guys think? I still see them around this year, not as much as last year, but when I saw this last year, I was like, where do they get them? They're so cute. But I stopped myself because, if you know me, the collector in me, once I start something, I'll probably want to collect them all. AKA, look at my Rodeo collection. So it's the same with Labubus. I mean, I know that's a love or hate, but I stopped myself from collecting Labubus because I'll probably own 100 by now. And even just the normal little Jelly Cat soft toys, I especially love the food ones, like the croissants. I've seen them all around. People collect them. People are avid fans, and I think they're adorable. But Mel cannot add any more to her collection, right? It's not about the price or anything. It's just about me. As I've talked to you before, I'm trying to be a bit more selective because I really do have a lot. But let me just show you this cutie in a little bit more detail. Let me open her up, and she's pretty accurate. It is 25 centimeters. I love it. Okay, so opens the same like a Birkin. Obviously no branding or anything. This is just something fun, playful. It's definitely not a Birkin because this one comes with a strap which you can attach to the back here. I love that. You know, one thing about the Birkin sometimes is that I wish it did have a strap. But this little fun, cute version, I mean, look at his little feet, has a silver strap. I just love this color. Okay, guys, I just wanted to bring out my Hermes Birkin in 25 centimeters. This is my Magnolia Beauty in Togo leather. So just as a size comparison, it's pretty accurate, 25 centimeters. And capacity-wise, I've already packed it. I'm going to carry this tomorrow. It does fit a lot. You know, I've got my mini pochette, my wallet in there, Bastia, mints, big glasses case, my new car key holder. So all that fits. Obviously I would put my phone in there, but there's still a lot more room. And if I just turn the bag around, this is where it differs. So you can see that this has got, you know, a detachable shoulder strap if you do want it. Forgot to show you, it actually does have feet as well, which I need to take the protectors off it, but that's nice. Just look at that little sparkle. So this cutie is adding to my Birkin 25 collection, and I love it. And I love her because, again, we had talked about these and she had said, this is one I would even consider getting because it looks like a toy, Mel. But she bought me a toy to celebrate my 10 years and I love it. Oh, speaking about my 10 years and the giveaway and everything like that, I forgot to mention, you know how I did my annual Lunar New Year red packet giveaway? I have 2 unclaimed packets of all these beautiful 15 different designer red packets from all the different brands. I think there's 15. Yeah, I think there's 15. And I just thought, you know what? These are not just, this year is the year of the horse, but the year of the horse goes all the way till like next Jan. And I know a lot of you wanted these. I'm not sure why YouTube is not notifying people when I comment back to them. But anyway, I've still got 2 sets of these left. So if you were interested, just comment what you think of my 2 little cuties. Yeah, I just want these to go good home because they represent prosperity, luck, good fortune, and who doesn't want more of that? And I will pick the winners in my next video, so make sure you come back and check on that video. Again, this is not for my 10 years. I just had 2 unclaimed prizes, so of course I want to give it to you guys, but definitely stay tuned for the end of the month where I will be doing a much bigger giveaway. Let me know if you've got any ideas on what you would like me to do for that giveaway. So anyway, guys, that is it for this video. 2 unexpected orange bags that contained 2 cuties. What a great way to celebrate my 10 years. And I absolutely love this cutie. So thank you so much, babe, for this. But you know what I love the most? Yes, I love the bags, is the thought behind it and our friendship. So I hope you enjoyed this very cash video, guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.